Very good morning to a student. Very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Very nice. Very nice. You all are fine. So welcome to our classes. Myself Shraddha Dubey. I am graduate in life science and postgraduate in environmental science. Have an additional degree of B.Ed. So I will teach you biology, and today I will teach you about some interesting topics to which about something related to that automatically, or that's point which are missed out to you, to all of you. I will clear in this video. Okay, so let's get start the video. Student, do you know what is cell? Very good, absolutely right. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the life. And do you know when many more cells are joined together, what they form? What they form? Very good, they form tissue. And do you know what is tissue? What is the function of tissue? Which type of living organism the tissues are found? Yeah. So in this video, we will discuss about the tissue, definition of tissue, type of tissue. Oh wow! Here is our starting point definition of tissue. As student, you cleared that the group of cells is known as tissue, but here the full definition of tissue we are going to discuss. Group of cells which are similar in structure means the structure of cells are similar and perform specific function are called as tissue, or they form the tissue. Xavier Richard introduced the tissue in his study of anatomy in 1801. Who introduced study of tissue? So we can see that Xavier Richard, absolutely right. He proposed the tissue is a central element of human anatomy. As he introduced to tissue and anatomy, at that time he also proposed that the tissue is the central unit of human anatomy. And our next is topic is type of tissue. So as we know that there are two type of tissue are found. Yes, which type of tissue? Plant tissue and animal tissue. Very good. Plant tissue are found in plant and animal tissues are found in animals. Very nice. So today we will discuss about plant tissue. Plant tissue are of two type, means mesmatic tissue and permanent tissue. Mesmatic tissue, what is mesmatic tissue? Anyone tell me? Okay, so I will explain to meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue, these are found at the growing point like tops of roots, stem, branches where growth occur in length, also growth occur in stem. When anyone asks what is meristematic tissue, we can see that meristematic tissue is the type of tissue by which growth of stem, length of stem increases. So we can see the meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue is also known as growing tissue. Okay, so here we can see that the when meristematic tissue are also three type. When the growth occur on the tip, this is called apical meristematic tissue. And when in a plant growth occurs on lateral side, this is called tissue. Lateral tissue. And when tissues are found, growth of tissue are found into the mid of the two nodes, that are called intermediate tissue. And when growth of tissue found on the apex of the stem is called as apical tissue. Is that clear to all or not clear? Very good. We will come on the next. Okay, our next heading is permanent tissue. Do you know what's the means of permanent? Yeah, very good, very good. Permanent is a word that include any the things in which we can't do any changes, that is permanent, means of the permanent. Here is the permanent tissue. So the group of cells in which growth either is stopped completely, means doesn't grow anytime, or for the being time being, that is called permanent tissue. Permanent tissue are of also two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue are of also two types: protective tissue and supportive tissue. Protective tissue, from name we can guess that what is the function of the protective tissue. Anyone? Very good. The protective tissue protect the softened part of the plant, like epidermis protect the softened part of the plant, leaves, root, stems, that is the epidermis is the uh, protective tissue of the simple permanent tissue. Next is the supportive tissue, the type of tissue which give the support to the plant. These are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And next is the complex permanent tissue. The complex permanent tissue, what is the complex permanent tissue? Anyone? Yeah, right. The complex permanent tissue is the type of tissue. Okay, it's fine. So students, our sessions are completed, and it's right time for the rating and feedback. Your rating and feedback is very important for us, and you will think why rating and feedback is important for us. So I am mentioning some points here: for continuous improvement, personalized experience, and the satisfaction of a student, and platform enhancement. These are the points for which feedback and rating is important. So yes, Smita, can you call your parents? Yeah, mom or dad. Very good. Okay, yeah. Okay. Hi. Huh. Yes. Yeah. Hi. Good morning, ma'am. It's myself, Shraddha Dubey. Biology. I'm teaching biology. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Your daughter Smita is very cute and intelligent, and its knowledge power is also very good. And he answered me all the answer of my questions. But the thing to which I see in her, that time management. You know that we will learn to manage the time by the practice, improve the all type of human being. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. So it's will be beneficial for Smita, and it's also will be beneficial to you, that our me and our organization will help to improve your daughter the intelligence level and time management, and all the teaching materials we will provide to her. Yeah. In our class we will give the worksheets, assignment, homeworks, and the main and most important point of this session is we will provide a regular PTM, means parents teacher meeting, by which you can confirm that your daughter is doing well, doing bad. You can analyze your daughter's improvement here, ma'am. Yeah, it's very facial for her, and it's very facial to you. And the topic to which we discuss in our class, we will provide the DPD of that, by which student can solve them and can be free from doubts. If any doubts will come in next class, she asks to us. Yeah, our organization is fully for the students, and fully focus on the improvement of the student, and many more students get satisfaction from our organization. Yes, ma'am. Can you? Yeah, yeah. Sure, 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 sure. We will personally focused on every students. Yeah, subject wise every teachers will focus on every student for the improvement. Yeah, we will work on the improvement of student. Yes, yes. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Will you enroll for this next session for Smita? Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, thank you. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.